Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing the course called Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 by Matt Parr, which provides guidance on starting and managing a cash cow YouTube channel. If you're interested in becoming a YouTube content creator, this beginner-friendly course offers a complete roadmap from not having a YouTube channel at all to making a full-time income on the platform. We'll be discussing everything about the course in this video, so watch it through. The topics of the videos are based on conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. Be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Let's start by answering some frequently asked questions about tube mastery and monetization. First off, is this class for beginners? Absolutely. Matt Parr offers a complete roadmap that is easily understood by anyone interested in becoming a YouTube content creator. It also helps those of us who have been making content to refine our process and get better results. If you have any questions, Tube Mastery and Monetization offers a private Facebook group where you can ask questions and have them answered on a daily basis. Matt Parr is the most active content creation teacher in any private Facebook group I've been a part of, and he answers everyone's questions individually. The question we get a lot is, how long does it take to earn money? The answer is highly subjective, as it depends on how committed you are to taking massive action on what Matt is teaching. Your results will vary, but this course will work as long as you have an internet connection and access to YouTube. One thing I like about this business model is that it has the potential to be sold. Faceless channels that teams can automate for you, as long as you choose a niche, create a successful channel, and systematize the process. You can then move from one niche to the next. These channels do not rely on a personality, so you could create a channel, begin earning passive income, and then sell it like any other digital asset. If you're interested in growing your channel and dominating YouTube, have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube.